Hey, good morning, everybody. It is time for another Saturday showcase here at the Oak Creek Home Center in Abilene, Texas. I want to thank you for joining us this morning. I hope that you have a cup of coffee and a notepad and are going to take a few notes. I do want to let you know that I welcome questions during the presentation. Happy to answer those for you and look forward to showing you through. This morning, we're going to look at the arches, and you can kind of see behind me why we call it that. It's a home that's produced out of our Fort Worth factory. It's a full tape and textured sheetrock all the way through. Gorgeous home. I'll point out some of the features and happy to answer questions as we go along. So let me flip the camera around and we will get you started on your Saturday Showcase home tour. Okay, so in the arches in the 5815, when you first come in, you are greeted by a really nice open living room with really pretty windows. I like the cornice boxes that are over the windows. The 2-inch mini blinds are included in this home, and you will see why we call it the arches. This home has some arch decor features in it that really accentuate and accent the home, bring out a lot of stuff. You've got the bar stool seating there just outside the kitchen. And then when you come into the kitchen, this home is really generous with its storage. We've got a 12-door pantry cabinet cluster here in the kitchen. These cabinets are all wood cabinets with wood cabinet styles. That's the door to the laundry room right off the kitchen. We'll go over there in a moment. But look how nice this home just pans around. I'll try and show you. Really cool looking kitchen. Nice set of drawers there by the smooth top range. The appliances are included in this home. They're the GE appliances. So you've got the big double door, ice and water in the door refrigerator, a smooth top range with a built-in microwave overhead. I really like that they've put the sink there in the corner with the window over the top. And then you've got this really nice dishwasher. It's cool how this home opens up into the living room too. You can see the other side of these arches. It really does a nice presentation for you. It gives you some definition between the living room and the dining room and the kitchen. But it's a really nice open floor plan with a lot of distinct features to it. Now, here in the cabinets, I want to show you a couple of things about these cabinets. As I mentioned, these are a wood cabinet door with the European style hinges inside. All the cabinets are finished. You've got the shelves pre-installed and the crown moldings overhead. Room for your knickknacks and that sort of thing that you want to put in. Another nice feature in this home is it features the overhead heating and cooling vents with LED lights. The crown moldings and baseboards are prevalent all the way through the home. Here in the laundry room, when you come back into the laundry room, you've got a really nice space option over here in this corner if you want to put in a laundry deep sink. And then I'll kind of come around. It's set up with a full-size washer and dryer placement here in the laundry room. So there is a lot of space back here in the laundry room. I know that light is a little tough on us this morning, but it's just a really cute looking home. When we come back into the master bedroom, I like that the master bedroom entry is recessed off of the living room. Here to the right is where your water heater and your air handler is. Another really cool feature that I like in this home, as in all of the Fort Worth products, if you've ever had to change your air filters, this is great because you can just flip these little tabs and then that grate folds out so that you can place your air filter in there and not have to stand on your head to try and change your filters. When you come back into the master bedroom, it is really large, nice and open. The ceiling fan is already installed. We've done an accent color in here on the back called Riverway. With the gray, looks really sharp. You've got a lot of room in here, certainly accommodate a king-size bed on 2 of these walls. You've got outlets all the way around the room. And then taller ceilings. I like these tall ceilings. These are an 8.5-foot tall ceiling all the way through the home. And then the master bathroom is also equally impressive. You come back in, our vanities tend to be a little bit taller than most, so you don't have to bend over as far to do your morning maintenance. China sinks with the metal faucets. And then they've put in this arched niche back here with the big soaker tub. The big deck tub is really nice. It's positioned in a formed pan underneath, so it's got a lot of support to it. But this bathroom is really nice. I like the ceramic tile backsplashes. We use a 6-inch tall ceramic tile backsplash instead of the smaller 4-inch. The commodes in here are the elongated commodes, and there are shutoff valves behind the commodes, and I can't really show it to you there, but there's shutoff valves behind the commodes, and then you've got a 48-inch single-piece fiberglass shower with an option to do ceramic tile if you wish, but you already have the seats installed in the corners, which makes it really handy in the mornings. Underneath the sinks, I'll kind of show you down here, we also do color-coded piping so that you know where your hot water's at. The shutoff valves are there. It's a really clean, nice look underneath the cabinets, finished out well. Coming back out into the master bedroom again, you've got the double windows along this opposite from the headboard, so it makes it really nice in the mornings. A good-sized walk-in closet too, which is really quite pleasant. It's got the wood rods with wood shelves that are in here. If you want to double rack the closet rods, you can do that. That's a really nice option available for folks. And the 2-inch mini blinds that are in here are also included. Now, before we go back to the other end of the home, I do want to show you the floor plan so you can kind of see how this home lays out. It's available in a 3-bedroom, and that's what we're looking at today, but you also can get a 2-bedroom floor plan configuration. And when they do the 2-bedroom floor plan configuration, that bedroom goes away and they enlarge this front bedroom, and it makes your living room get larger. So this is perfect for folks that are wanting to downsize without having to go to the expense of the double section homes to get your square footage. You're a little over 1,300 square feet in this home, and it gives you the option of either a 2 or a 3-bedroom. Now, as a 3-bedroom, you do get really good room sizes, and I'll show those to you here in a minute. Another feature that I like are these 3 windows that are here in the hallway. Just brings in some more light, opens up that hallway, makes it look really good. When we come back to the bedrooms, you'll see the size of the bedrooms is really nice size. Easily accommodate a full queen, twin bed, those kinds of bed sizes. The closets are good. Again, in here you can put double racks in the closets, so you've got a lot of space. And if you notice, even the crown moldings and trims go all the way into the closets. The doors that we're using are called Corvado doors. The Corvado doors, again, add another bit of flair and feature to the home. Really nice look to them. There are 3 150-pound door hinges on these doors, not the little piano-style hinges that go in to some of the lesser products. So you'll see that those are done really nice. I apologize for it being a little bit dark in here, but this is your front bathroom, full bathroom for the guest room. It's done with single-piece fiberglass tub shower surround. We've added a 2-door linen cabinet up above the commode area, and then again you've got the china sink with the ceramic tile backsplash to give you more of a residential feature in the home. The front bedroom, also really good size. Now keep in mind, when we do the 2-bedroom version of this home, this bedroom will actually gain about 1.5 feet in width. So you get more space in this front bedroom if you decide to go to the 2-bedroom type of layout. And again, another really nice size closet. Kind of comes back in here, and you've got the opportunity to do the dual closet rods. All the way through the home, as I mentioned before, you've got the overhead vents. The lighting in the bedrooms up here is already pre-wired for a ceiling fan, so you can just add a ceiling fan if you want. And that's an option that's available at the factory. You get to pick all of your decor. So that it would include your flooring, it would include the wall colors, the cabinetry, the countertops, appliance packages, all of those things, all of your wall colors, everything, outside features as well. So I would encourage you, if you've got questions about this model, this is the model 5815, produced out of our Fort Worth factory for Oak Creek Homes. Mary Lou, thank you for the question. Yes, we definitely have double section homes. We've got about 80 different floor plans that are available from our 2 different factories, and we can absolutely shoot you over some floor plans. I will get in touch with you after the video and see if we can't help you out with some different floor plans. But I just wanted to show you around this morning, Saturday showcase, to give you a little teaser on this home. It is available to view at the Oak Creek Home Center here in Abilene, Texas. We're located at 1210 North Clack in Abilene. Our phone number is 325-480-0035. You're welcome to give us a call. My name is Bill Wilkins, and I'd be very, very happy to chat with you and answer any questions that you might have about the Model 5815 or any of the other homes that we've got. Appreciate you tuning in this morning and hope that you have a very safe and healthy day. If there's anything else that we can do for you, please let us know. More floor plans are available at our website at oakcreekabilene.com, and that'll give you a look at what floor plans we've got available. Again, our phone number is 325-480-0035. Thanks for tuning in. This is Bill Wilkins. Have a great day. Thanks.